everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, we've got a bit of a collective thrift store haul for you today. Now, all of this stuff I've been collecting over the past couple of months in preparation for doing some decor stuff in the garden. My idea is to set up little pockets of, I think what they call it is a junk garden, where you've got sort of your bits and pieces with plants, and I'll insert a couple of photos to sort of so you get the idea of what I've got in mind. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you some of the cool little thrift store pieces that I've picked up over the last couple of months, and yeah, we'll get stuck into it. So first one here, this little baskety thing I actually picked up off the roadside. We had like a council pickup, so that was for free, and it's just like a cane stand. I'll probably end up painting that. Not sure what I'm going to be doing with that at this stage. This little wooden step stool here, this was $3 from thrift store. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to be using this in the garden or actually in my house. I haven't decided yet because it's a bit too cute, I think, to put in the garden. It'll probably be getting a makeover anyway, either way. So yeah, that's one of the little pieces there. It's just like a little step type stool. This cute little wishing well I picked up from the thrift store, and it was, I'm not sure if the price is still on it, but I think it was $6. So definitely going to be doing something with that, putting a nice plant or something in the bottom of that one, and the actual chain and everything works as well. So I thought that was a steal for $6. It's so cute. This little vintage looking chair I picked up for, I think it was about $5, just off the buy swap and sell. And again, I plan to use that in the garden, probably just to sit a plant or something on it. So that's nice. I really like the style and the shape of this chair. It's really nice. If I had any more room, I'd probably clean it up and use it in the house, but I don't really have any spots to put it. And then this chair on this side, again, this one I think was a free pickup. I'm just trying to think where I got this one from now. I can't actually think, but I'm pretty sure it was like a free pickup. They just wanted to get rid of it. So it's another nice little wooden chair I'll probably use in the garden. This little step ladder here was picked up from my local thrift store. Now I'm not even sure if they've actually made this or not, or whether it was just something that they had dropped in, but I think this was $8 for the little step ladder, and I thought that would be cute, putting a few little plants around it and then one on top. Also, this little stool here was $8 from the local thrift shop. It's a pretty solid stool too, so it's quite heavy. And again, I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to use this in my house or in the actual garden itself, because it's quite a nice little stool that you can just set a little plant on or something like that. This little wagon I picked up off the buy swap and sell, and I plan to clean that up a bit, maybe give it a bit of a paint, I'm not sure yet. And yeah, just display a few little plants and whatnot in that. That was, I think, maybe about $10, I'm pretty sure. So that's my little red wagon. And then this wine, I think it's a wine stand actually. I actually got this for the garden as well, and I'm just going to see, I'm probably going to get like some tiny little pots that will sort of sit in those holes on a diagonal, and maybe put a few little seedlings and that sort of thing in them, and just, yeah, I'm not sure yet, I'll see, but I definitely want to use it in the garden somehow. I really like that. So that's it there. Now this stand here, I think this is actually an easel that they normally use at weddings. The girl I got it off, she's like a wedding planner, and she was getting rid of some of her stuff. And I think she sold this to me for about $8. And this is another piece too, I'm not sure if I'll be using in the garden, or maybe if I find somewhere to put it in my actual house. But I just really love the look of that, so I picked that up. And sort of along the same lines, I've got two of these things, which I'll give you a scan from the bottom up. They're about as tall as I am, and they were $15 for the pair. And I think she ended up giving them to me for $10 for the pair, and that was from my local thrift. No, sorry, they were $15 each, but she ended up giving them to me for $20 for the pair. And I think they're like you can maybe hang. My idea was to hang like a little bird cage on them. So I may even use these in my house. I may put one in the house and one outside. I'm not sure yet, but I really love those. So yeah, I'll insert a few photos of like junk gardening and the sort of style I want to put. I want to put like little pockets of gardens around our property, because we're on quite a big property. So like, you know, making like a little section here with some like decoration and some flowers in, and, you know, little pockets somewhere, you know, all around. Like this middle section here, I plan to make like a proper fire pit. We've got the fire pit there, but I want to do like, you know, some like gravel around and proper seeding around it, and, you know, make it an actual feature. So yeah, come spring, I mean, God, it's supposed to be winter today, but it's so hot. But come spring, yeah, I'm gonna start doing a bit of work in the garden and getting it looking a bit pretty, because yeah, like you can see, it's just plain and bare at the moment. We don't have any plants or anything anywhere. So this is our bedroom windows here, so I plan to put, you know, some sort of nice little garden type thing along here. This section here, all those bricks are eventually going to be a herb. My husband's going to build like a herb garden just underneath the window there with all those bricks. So that's going to be there. But yeah, so I just thought I'd show you a few of the things I've picked up over the last couple of weeks. And the next video I'll be filming will be my reject shop haul for some more gardening type items. So stay tuned for that video, and I will see you guys then. Thanks for watching.